Hello, I'm Mr. Meshak. I'll be breaking you through the samples of question in geography. And here we have a sample of a question. Discuss the continental drift theory. This is type of question that when given, you need not to fumble on it. Now I'll just give a summary, but before that, quickly subscribe to my channel. You like and you can even share at any time. Thank you. Now, discuss the continental drift theory. The word drift is in short, it just means moving. Now, the continental, we had the current continent, we had their initial sentiments. For example, the continent, we have the African continent, we have the South American, North American continent, we have the Europe continent. Now, initially those continents were together, but they drifted. Initially, we can say that the continents were made of a single landmass called Pangea. This Pangea was surrounded by a big ocean called Panthalassa. Panthalassa, this was the ocean that was surrounding the landmass. Let us assume that the landmass was like this, while the ocean surrounded around. Now, as the time goes, during the Precambrian period, you got the spelling. During the Precambrian period, this landmass broke up into two, Laurasia and broke up into Laurasia. Now this Laurasia had its own meaning and had its own landmass. Now we are going to check on that and Gondwana land. This was only on Precambrian period. Now, on this lesson 1, sample question 1, you must state these periods where the land masses were periodically breaking and were periodically separating from one another to the other. You understand? Now, during the Mesozoic era, Laurasia, I'm just messing up with this word. Laurasia broke up into Laurentian field, and Phenoscandia. Yeah, this only occurred during Mesozoic era, and Gondwana land during the same era. Gondwana land broke up into the present continents like India, Australia, and so on and so forth. Thank you. Now this one is just a summary for how to answer this a continental drift theory, just a grasp of mind to have it. Thank you. Subscribe for more lessons.